For the last and final speaker, I would like to invite Mr. Rao Bobbili, data scientist at the Tech Mahindra, Oman, with his presentation on distribute or get disrupted.
Assalamu alaikum, one and all. This is Venkat. I'm working as a data scientist for Tech Mahindra, Oman. We'll go to the what is the importance of digital technologies, or you mean to say disruptive technologies. Then we'll jump into the what are all the rules, why we need to adopt the digital technologies. See here, there is one famous saying in data, like data is the new oil and analytics is the combustion engine. Means you need to identify and any type of data, finding it, extract it, and refine it, distribute it, and finally monetize it. These are the different phases to collect. Our aim is to collect any type of data. Suppose I am running on business. So I am collecting the data, different data sources, like maybe 10 heterogeneous data sources. Maybe some other PI system or ERP system or CSV files, images, videos, any type of data. I need to collect it, I need to find it, where are the location, and I need to extract it, I need to put it, because I need to store all the data in one place, because currently the system only big data will be having this kind of feature like HDFS. So any type of data we can put it in this place. Suppose this is my big data platform, we can put all the data into that place, and we can do extract it, and we need to do refine it, and as well as the redistribute, and as well as the monetize it. So to achieve this, how we can achieve the benefits by using the digital technologies or disruptive technologies. So what are all the ways we are going to see? So why is this topic relevant today? So if I don't adopt digital disruptive technologies, so these are the implications. See, so right now the Motorola disappears in 70 years, and if you take the Nokia, 30 years, BlackBerry, 24 years, because they did not. Earlier, they are the pioneers in that industry, but they did not implement the disruptive technology. Disruptive technology is not like ML, AI, blockchain. These are the kind of digital twin. These are the kind of technologies they did not implement it. That's why they are no more. Like we are already seeing OYO and Airbnb displacing hospitality. Airbnb is they came up with a new idea in USA. Suppose I have a house in New Jersey. I am going for vacation for India for 1 month. I can rent my house to Airbnb, and people are uses my house. That is the new disruptive idea, not a normal idea. OYO, like hotels. We are seeing Netflix and displacing cable industry. So as you see, OTT industry like Amazon Prime, Netflix, these are all the displacing the cable industry. Right now, suppose when you take the example of India, we have so many movie theaters. Now movie theaters, now the OTT industry is disrupting, because people are not willing to go to movie theaters. They wanted to watch the movies in my television, through the OTT platforms like Amazon Prime and Netflix. So this is one of the thing. Okay, everybody knows about the industrial revolution 4.0. So these are all the things. Disruptive technologies will together reshape our world and their opportunity for your business. So these are all the things. When you see this one, no? So these are all the green color ones. Currently we are seeing all these technologies. And these are all the future technologies by using this industrial revolution. Okay, what are all the key drivers for my rapid disruption? Suppose currently reducing the storage, computer, and as well as the software cost will be reduced dramatically. As per the Moore's law, the number of transistors the production is reduced to how? Like the maximum number of transistors or microchips doubles every 2 years. This is the reason why we are having the cheap commodity software to have the storing of the data on the cloud. What is democratized innovation? Traditional innovation is dominant by producers and manufacturers in electronic and computer eras. Suppose earlier, before this 2022, so people are depending, they are dominant, like producers and manufacturers are the main dominant players in electricity and as well as they are electronic or the computer eras. Now, shift of innovation from producers to users. User is the god now. Now user is the god instead of manufacturer under the producers. So this is the way, this is the one of the key things. Suppose if the user, suppose when you are giving a mobile phone, iPhone 14 to any of the user, you no need to give any knowledge transfer to operate the mobile phone, because users are, they can define their own process, they can apply their own process onto the device. So what are the key drivers? There are new channels and methods. One is marketplace. Marketplace like when you see the App Store, Apple App Store and Google Play Store. These are the marketplaces. Suppose I have developed one application. I wanted to sell my application. Earlier days, we need to go for some other vendor and we need to do some marketing and all. Nowadays, you can have your application, you can put it into the App Store and Google Play Store, then you can monetize it. These are the marketplaces. Next is digital channels. By using the digital marketing, we can market your product. Next is freemium. Anybody knows about the freemium? So some set of, suppose I developed one application, I can give the application access to some set of users on a free basis for some time, maybe 10 days or 20 days. After that, so I will charge. Like a subscription free. So, are you in a spare pack business? A spare pack business is they will follow some set of business processes. What type of business process we'll see? They will follow statistics DNA, core competencies, process optimization and continuous improvement. Suppose when any of the organization is following all these four rules, then that type of organization will be getting benefits. They don't incur any losses. Based on our experience, because we are working on the different domains and different application, different process, what type of rules we need to adopt for the digital disruption. There are 10 rules will be there based on the experience. The first one is adapting to changing world. Everybody knows about the Sony Walkman. This is the Sony Walkman in 1978 and no more after 2010. Because they did not, they are the pioneer at this time, because between 1978 to 2010, now they did not implement any new technologies on top of this product, that's why it is no more. Because we need to adapting to changing world. Because why we need to adopt MLA, blockchain and digital twin into the business? Because we need to adopt it. Because we are getting some benefits by applying these technologies. That is the reason. So one of the classical example for the anti-example is the Sony. Because we have the Walkman and Discman, the earlier days before 2010. Now no more. Even though they are very very robust products, these two products. Next, third rule is the be bold versus the being bolt on. Too many businesses are only willing to make small gestures towards embracing new technology, which is called bolted on business. Because we need to be bold to the users. Whenever the users are telling any of the business requirements, we need to see and we need to provide the best possible solution. Be bold. Embrace uncertainty. Embrace uncertainty means suppose if the user or the business is they have some business problem, they wanted to solve the issue. Then you need to, in a position saying that no, so you need to give the correct roadmap to solve the issue. That is, you need to remove the uncertainty. to the business or the end users. End user is the God. Whatever their requirement is there, no, they don't know how to, whether I need to travel in this way, in this path or in this path. But digital technologies or disruptive technologies will give you the right path to remove the uncertainty. Next, see beyond outliers, because when you see the Uber example, they introduced in USA first time the Uber services and Ola services, those kind of services. To start your own disruption, you must look beyond the outliers of your business. What type of benefits we are getting, like that. You have to do more on bolt-on of disruptive technology and offer a cheaper price. Suppose whenever you are having any disruptive idea, and this disruptive idea need to offer at a less price initially. So that is one of the rule. Fifth one is don't get boxed in. Suppose you are running one business. Suppose you are thinking you should confine to one frame and I will run my business based on my rules. I don't want to implement others' rules like this. So you should be adapting what all the other businesses are taking care. Disrupt yourself. Self-destruction. Suppose when you take the Netflix, so because they started the idea from the Netflix company is they started in 1997. So their idea is, if you send an email to the Netflix, I want one DVD for a movie, then they will ship this DVD to your home. That is the first idea. That is the disruptive idea. Nobody is having that idea in 1997. Slowly, in 2007, the company started streaming of the movies instead of shipping the DVDs. This is the change. Now they are the leaders. The share value of this Netflix currently, yesterday it is like $312 US. Similar like Amazon Prime, anybody. So that is the disrupt yourself. Disrupt yourself. Continuous improvement. Suppose when you everybody is using the Facebook. Earlier we are using for the chatting and all. Initially we are using like Yahoo Messenger. After my post graduation, I used Yahoo Messenger. The groups are there, chat rooms will be there, like that. And also before this Yahoo Messenger, we have Pager. You know Pager? Small device will be there, so you need to text it. Before Pager, we have the trunk call messages, the telegram messages by using the telephone. So these are all the things, these are all the disruptive technologies. Like Facebook, they came into this is one of the social media platform. They came up with the disruptive technologies, and as well as like when you see the WhatsApp, this is one of the WhatsApp, Twitter. These are all the disruptive social media platforms. Okay. So and recently Facebook came up with the one idea called as metaverse. Anybody knows? Metaverse. Metaverse, the combination of the data management, ML, AI, all these things will be having. Suppose I wanted to attend I wanted to meet US President. So I can go virtually. I can go and meet him. That is the beauty of the metaverse. Okay, making measured and hedged benefits. What is measured benefits? BMW, they recently launched one vehicle, electric vehicle, in BMW i-Series. What is because they don't get any huge benefits by introducing the electric vehicle, but they are testing, measurement. Suppose once they release this electric vehicle, if this is clicks, because users are buying, then they will continue. That is measured benefit, bets. What is hedging? Hedging is different. Like Google, Dell, Cisco and Intel, what they will do, they will invest their money into other companies, other products, to getting benefit from them. Like when you see our Tata, right, from India. Tata is having one of the biggest industries in India. He will invest the money into the startup, small. Suppose this person is there. He's started one startup company. he will invest some small amount of money, like 10 crores or 20 crores of Indian rupees. So that is called as hedging. See, 2 steps down means, suppose I have the mobile application like Yahoo Messenger or the WhatsApp. So I introduce the WhatsApp Messenger here. So this is the primary product. The 2 steps down is what type of requirements are there, what the users are requested by using these WhatsApp services. They need emojis, like that, those kind of things we need to implement to enhance to give the more flexibility to the user. Empathy and design thinking, knowing what people want and how to make it simpler. This is the empathy thinking. Suppose this person is there, what he is thinking, if I understand that his thinking in my mind, that is called as empathy thinking. This person is knowing that this Venkat is not delivering good presentation. If I am able to read his mind, that is called as empathy thinking. So this is there. This is the like the cycle: empathize, define it, ideate, prototype, and test. This is called as the design thinking. Everybody is now, every organization, they are going for the empathy thinking and design thinking. So these are all the overview. Okay. Now we will go for the one what do you call the disruptive technology table. See, this is this disruptive technology table which is published by the Imperial College of London. See, these are all the technologies. Green technologies are happening now, like autonomous cars, vertical farming, and delivery of delivery robots. Because when you are like Google, what you call our Amazon, they are using these kind of things. Like they are using the other things also, because there are so many things are happening in the green technologies. Like what are all yellow technology, which this will happen in next 10 to 20 years from today onwards. Next level process automation, process of virtualization, future of connectivity, distributed infrastructure, next generation computing, applied AI, future of programming, trust architecture, bio-revolution, next generation materials, future of clean technologies. These are all these technologies will be happen next 10 to 20 years. These are the ghost technologies. Ghost means fringe science. Fringe science means, okay, I wanted to do this thing, but this cannot be done. We need to try. Sometimes we will succeed, sometimes you may fail. So those are all like data uploading to the brain, and pollution eating buildings and space elevators. Like I wanted to go for the space, so currently you are using elevators, right, in the building apartments. Maybe they are trying this space of elevator. Elon Musk is there, no? Recently, last month I have gone through one of the article of Elon Musk. They wanted to introduce one chip into the brain for the blind people. If you introduce the chip into the brain, then they are able to see. And also, the people who don't walk, they can walk. They are trying this kind of things. This is the Elon Musk inventories. So, go there, be that disruptor. You have a beautiful idea, go there and apply it. No, because if you want to apply anything nowadays, you no need to purchase any software and hardware. You go to the cloud, Oman data park, and you can request your software and hardware, pass and iPass, so those many things, and you can apply your technology like cloud computing or edge computing. Thank you all.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Ojiz Bhatia. I am a world record holder based in Oman. And currently, I'm working with the Apple co-founder, Steve Wozniak. We will be getting him to Oman. And first of all, I'm thankful for the organizers and the speakers. Being on stage is tough. So first I want to say congratulations for beautiful presentations. My question is, how do we empower the Omani youth, and how do we say, for example, if there is someone like Khalid going to say a Majan college, or if there is say Fatima going to she works for Orido, how do we use technology to empower, not like there's so many technologies, there's metaverse, there's AI, there is so many different technologies, but how do we use that in the Omani context? Like, for example, over here, we don't use QR codes. We just use the Bank Muscat card and we use a tap, right? So I want to ask the speakers, what are technologies that we can use to empower Omani youth, and how we can, for example, how do we make an Omani citizen in Al-Amrat or Al-Khod, how do we make him a global citizen? So if any speaker, you can go ahead.
The first and foremost thing is the graduates need to learn Python. That is the basic knowledge, basic language to write the simple programs, because currently we are having the no code and low code applications available for the digital technologies. No need to write the complete hundreds or thousands of lines. If you know the Python language, then you have the grip on the how to use the digital technologies. So Python is the one of the major language, so they can practice, and this is the open source language. They can maybe online compilers also there for the Python, maybe Python 3.7 version. So that is the good thing, and maybe in Oman also, currently I am working in one of the confidential company, then we are training the interns, job seekers on the Python and data science concepts initially. So slowly they can pick up in 1 or 2 years, and initially if you train on AI, they can't learn. First we need to learn, this is the basic part is the Python, then ML, then AI, then DL, deep learning. So this is the stage, this is the ladder. It will take almost 5 years to reach deep learning. So, but Python is very easy language, like English syntax. So this is one of the identification in Oman, because I am working in Oman since last 3 years. This is my observation. So people will learn. So other technologies they can't, because those are they need to write the code. But here no code and low code tools are available. This is one of the thing, and because I am seeing the better results, because while training, while giving the mentoring to the junior resources, this is my observation. So maybe you can take the other aspect or idea.